know who you truly are beyond your name, your job, or your social roles? If you are ready to uncover the real you, join us in this journey on self-discovery, embarking on the path of exploration and learning, and also embarking on the path of growth and discover the power of self-awareness. Our topic for today is self-discovery. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Bison Simon TV to stay updated. Self-discovery is the process of understanding one's self, including one's thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It is a journey of introspection, self-reflection, and self-awareness. By understanding ourselves better, we can make informed decisions, build meaningful relationships, and live a fulfilling life. Self-discovery helps us to identify our strengths and our weaknesses, values, and beliefs. Self-discovery is rooted in psychology and philosophy. It includes and involves examining our thoughts, feelings, and actions, not forgetting about gaining insight into our motivation, our values, and our beliefs. By understanding our past experiences, we can break free from limitations and develop a growth mindset. Self-discovery is a continuous process, and everyone can benefit from it. Why is self-discovery important? It is important because it improves our self-esteem. It improves our decision-making and leads to a life satisfaction or a satisfying life. Understanding ourselves, we can develop self-acceptance, build resilience, and cultivate meaningful relationships. Self-discovery helps us to find purpose, passion, and direction in life. It is a journey worth taking. Common misconceptions about self-discovery include thinking it is a one-time thing or only for those who are lost. However, self-discovery is a continuous process and everyone can benefit from it, regardless of their stage in life. Don't let misconceptions hold you back from discovering your true potentials. How do you start your self-discovery journey? Begin by journaling, meditating, or seeking professional help. Practice self-reflection, challenge your assumptions, and explore new experiences. Remember, self-discovery is a personal and a unique journey. Be patient, kind, and compassionate with yourself. Real-life examples of self-discovery include individuals who have overcome obstacles and transformed their lives to find purpose. Their story inspires us to embark on our own self-discovery journey, learn from their experiences, and also use them as a catalyst for our own or your own growth. In conclusion, self-discovery is a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. By understanding ourselves, we can live a more authentic, meaningful, and fulfilling life. So start your self-discovery journey today and uncover the real you. Remember, self-discovery is a lifelong journey. It is not a destination but a journey. Share your self-discovery experiences and join us in the conversation. Subscribe to Bison Simon TV for more inspirational content and guidance on self-discovery journey. Together, let's explore the power of self-discovery to make a change in our directions of life. Know you are the best version of who you can be. You are wise, you are strong, and knowledgeable. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. I am your host, Bison Simon. Thank you for watching.